I'm gonna show you how you can find the newest, hottest products that are released on Amazon. There are a ton of ways to actually find products by only using Amazon. You can literally do research on Amazon.com and find a potential product to sell. Crazy and seems unreal, but you totally can, and I'm gonna walk you through how you can find products just by using Amazon.com. But before we hop into this tutorial, my name is Pretty. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller, and on this channel, I talk about how you can build wealth by using the web. Let's hop into this tutorial. Let me get on my computer screen and show you how to do it. All right, so I'm on Amazon.com, and what we wanna do is take a look at the new released products. Yeah, they make it that simple. So there's literally a new release product which will tell you what Amazon thinks that are good new release products. And so what you want to do is look at these new release products. You want to take a look and see if you find any of these products potential product ideas, and then dive deeper into them. And it's honestly nice to just get ideas. If you don't have any ideas and you want to find a rabbit hole to go down, this is a great way to just think of ideas that are potentially going to be profitable to sell on Amazon. So what we want to do is take a look at the new release products for baby, but there's new release products for clothing, shoes, jewelry. There's just a ton of new release products. So if you have a category that you're actually interested in, definitely take a look at those. But I'm just looking, I'm just trying to get ideas. So I'm just gonna look through all of these lists real quick. And so what I would do, look at baby. This product looks really cool and it has a really nice price point. So I'm gonna take a look at it. And this is a portable crib baby playpen, which is a mouthful, but it seems like a really nice sturdy playpen. It's a new release product and it looks really nice. Good product pictures. I mean, they're very basic, but they're good. And nice price point. So what I like to do is just go down to products related to this item. And I like to just quickly glance and see these products as well. Now, they have a decent amount of, other related products, but nothing that's just this other than this product right here. So what I do is go back, I'm gonna take this keyword, which is portable crib, and you could do baby, but portable crib is the keyword. And what we want to do is search this up again. And I don't want to do it in baby, I want to do it in all departments. So here is what the niche looks like for portable cribs. Now, why am I looking at this? I'm looking at this just to see what the first page has on there. Like, you want to see what products are on there, what the competition's like, how many reviews does this product have. And so I'm just taking a look at this. A lot of these products, this one right here has a lot of reviews. This one's brand new, which is awesome. This one's also solidified, a lot of reviews. This one's newer. And so some of these products have been here for a while and some are newer, which is really cool. Would I be able to come in and compete with a lot of these big players? Probably not. This guy has 2,100 reviews. This guy has 3,000 reviews. This guy over here has 4,900 reviews. It's the same one, yeah, it's sponsored. This one has 650, which is nice. So my point is, you want to take a look into that niche to see if it's worth it. Is this niche worth it? I definitely think baby products are a great niche, but they are also a lot of things that you need to consider. You have to make your product really, really good to stand out. And it is going to cost a decent amount to source since it is a larger product. So personally, I would not get into this niche because there are over 3,000 search results. And I also like to look at how many search results there are for these niches, because this niche has 3,000 results, which means there are 3,000 products that people could pick from. Now, you can look at niches that have less results, which ultimately increases your chances of being on the first page. So this is just not a product that I would do, but I want to go back and look at the new release list and keep looking. And again, I probably wouldn't have thought to sell a portable crib, but the new release list kind of is helping me think of these ideas or just niches to look deeper into. So this is also interesting. So table corner protector guard. Now, this is a very modern design. I know they had like ugly protector guards when I was a baby, like those little blue ones. You know, my parents used to use those. So anyways, this protector guard is for baby safety, and oh, this is bugging me. They spelled safety wrong in their title. Don't do that, unprofessional. So what you want to do is look at this product, see what the competition is like, and I like to do like the 4-star and below or more frequently bought brands, and just take a look at like how they're doing. Now, there are a lot of brands that are selling the same exact products, and I personally would not come in and do this product because, again, there's no innovation and there's already a ton of people selling it. Now, to my point, let's do corner protector guards, table corner protector guards, because that's the long tail keyword in here. And we're gonna take a look at this niche. So we can just do all departments. Let's take a look at this niche and see how these people are doing. So, you know, 36,000 reviews. How am I going to compete with that? And the price point is super low. So it's definitely a no-go for me. But again, it was an interesting product, and there are only 571 search results, which is great. There's less people selling this, but the people that are selling it already have so much social proof that it doesn't matter, and then I can't compete with them. Okay, so anyways, let's go back to the drawing board and let's look at another example. So here I'm gonna look into a different category now because I'm getting tired of baby. So let's just look at, let me look at office. I like office stuff that's always like nice to source, unless you know you don't want electronics, but like office desk stuff is really nice. So let's take a look at this laptop stand. And again, guys, I'm doing this product research live with you, so I may or may not find a product, but again, I'm just showing you how I dive deeper into niches and how I ultimately do product research without any tools, if that's what you have available to you. But if you are looking for a great product research tool, I definitely recommend Helium 10, and that's what I do in order to find products. And I would literally take this product's ASIN and plug it into Helium 10 to get more in-depth data on that result. How much monthly revenue are they making? How many reviews do they have? What keywords are they using? Where are they ranking in terms of the listing? And so there's just endless amounts of information that you can get from Helium 10, which is why I recommend it and which is why I use it. So there'll be a code down below where you can get 50% off your first month if you're interested. But what you want to do is write this product down and come back to it. I never really look into the data when I'm looking at actual product ideas, because I just write all these product ideas down and then I dive deeper by using Helium 10. So this was a decent example. I mean, I could get into this, but I know that the laptop stand niche is super competitive, and you can see all these amazing laptop stands that are selling for $9, $10, $11 because there's so many competitors selling that. But if you don't believe me, we'll type in laptop stand right here and see how many search results there are. There are over 4,000 search results for a laptop stand, so good luck ranking on the first page. This is definitely not a product that I want to do. Which is why I will keep looking. And that is the thing that you must understand, is like you have to keep looking for product ideas, for potential products to sell on Amazon. It is not going to just, you do one search and you find your product. I've done hundreds of searches before I've launched my products, and you really want to do the same thing. So gather, compile data, make sure you're writing things down. I have a notebook with me at all times where I write stuff down, and literally, I have stuff written down every single page that you can see. Like, all I do is write products down to potentially go look back at them. And so what you want to do is literally compile a ton of product ideas, and then look into them deeper by typing in the keyword that is most relevant to that product. Take a look at the search results. How many products are there? Next, you want to take a look at how the competition is looking on that first page. Is there room to compete? Are there at least 3 players with a low number of reviews that are on the first page? That gives you a great indication of whether or not you should be doing that product. And lastly, I like to look at how are the players doing? Like, is their listing good? Do they have bad reviews? If they have bad reviews, I'm going to take a look at the bad reviews and see how I can make that product better. Ultimately, innovation is going to set you apart, and ultimately innovation is what is going to drive more sales and help you rank higher and higher, because you're going to force customers to buy your product because it is so much better. The innovation is way better than your competition, and ultimately seal all the sales. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Again, Amazon's new release list is a great place to go look for potential product ideas, and you should start there, compile a bunch of ideas, and then dive deeper into each of those individual ideas, okay? I hope this product research tutorial was helpful. Leave me a comment down below if it was, and if it wasn't. And if you have any FBA related questions, I would love to help. Leave them down below, and I will catch you in the next tutorial.